Hello, friends. My name is Sparky, and welcome back to Sparky Science Time. Today, we are going to do a super cool trick. It looks like real, but guess what? It's not magic at all. It's science, and science is even better than magic, because you can do it too. Today's experiment is, can you guess? Think. Okay, I'll show you.
Pip, we're making a lamp that glows and wiggles. A wiggling lamp. This I have to see. We need water, oil, food coloring, and a fizzy tablet for the magic part. Don't forget the flashlight. Glow can be slippery if it spills, so let's be careful and grab a grown-up to help. Safety check. Complete. A little water, right at the bottom. Water level, nice and calm. A few drops of color. Let's go bright pink. Color, dramatic. Approved. Proved.
Now the oil, pour it slowly right on top. It's just floating there. Now for the magic piece, the fizzy tablet. Ready, Pip? Ready, Pip?
Bubbles forming. 3, 2, 1. Look, the color is making blobs and they're floating up and down. It really is a lava lamp. Look at it glow and groove. This is great. Why does the oil just sit on top? Let me explain. Water molecules stick close together. Oil molecules don't want to join them at all. And oil is lighter than water, so it floats right on top. The fizzy tablet makes tiny gas bubbles. They grab onto the colored water and carry it up. Bubble pops at the top, blob sinks back down. Repeat forever.
I hope you had as much fun as I did, Finn. Don't forget, you can try this at home with a grown-up's help, okay? And remember, science is everywhere. You just have to look for it. This was Sparky saying bye-bye, and I'll see you in the next experiment. Stay curious, my friends.